So essentially what you're saying then, people have been buying in Bitcoin more than BSV. So that's where the market's going. That's where the money's going. And that's the reason why you own it. Is that essentially what you're saying?
Yes, I guess essentially, yes.
Okay.
But at the end of the day, I don't know the fundamentals of BSV. I don't know what the white paper is. I don't know what half these people are talking about with BSV.
No. But can you see what I mean? Why that sentiment could confuse or lose somebody? It confuses me. Because I buy Virgin Galactic, I buy Apple, I buy Tesla, I buy these things which I know are building things, making things, solving problems, and are probably going to do well in the future because they actually do something or solve something. Well, you're actually saying that I'm buying Bitcoin because everybody else is, and that's why the price goes up. That to me, that is the very definition of what a Ponzi scheme is.
No, I guess I'm not saying that. There's a sentiment is one thing and utility is another. With Bitcoin, I know it's backed by hundreds, thousands of computers all around the world that are validating your transactions, that are putting it on the blockchain. So it's backed by something. It's backed by all these miners. It's backed by all these computers around the world. It's the only way you can, in your bank account, you don't actually have your money in Bitcoin. You have your wallets, you have your keys. If you have it in your own Ledger Nano, let's say you own your Bitcoin. The money you have in your bank, they can seize off you at any second. So Bitcoin is financial freedom. It provides a place for you to put your money for a long-term store of value. We have 10, 11 years of data with Bitcoin. We know how the cycles are. So it is backed by thousands of computers around the world, thousands of miners validating transactions, securing the network. It can't be hacked unless there's a quantum computer. But if there's a quantum computer, we have bigger problems on our hands. So,
all right. Well, I want to say your input today is being greatly received. People on TikTok are loving it. People on YouTube are commenting positively. I'd like to invite. We've got guests over on TikTok right now. You're not able to talk to our guest who's called in here, talking about his perspective and his opinion on Bitcoin. Please call in. If you want to call in and put your questions to him and discuss with him and all the rest of our investors here, you need to come over to YouTube. TikTok is merely a fun, silly place for people to scroll through looking for half-naked ladies. We are here today with our investors and our traders here in YouTube. So the link's in the profile here, or just type in youtube.com/thedaytrader1. Come on in, have your say. TikTok is a lot of fun, we know that, but if you want to, this is my YouTube broadcast here. If you actually want to come in and have a proper say, come to youtube.com/thedaytrader1 or click on the profile here and come and join us and put your comments and thoughts to our panel of traders here. Ali, it's always a pleasure, sir, having you on the show because you present your side of the argument calmly, eloquently, with facts and stuff, and we had other BSV people call in, and our comments we got from people was it sounded scammy, it sounded like a cult, and I think nobody would suggest you sound like that. You sound like you've made an educated decision. You sound calm. You sound happy with your investments. You've clearly made money from it. You're sat out on the side now waiting for it to go down lower. Perhaps your dollar cost averaging in now. So final thoughts on where we are today, Ali.
Final thoughts, I guess. Once again, thank you for having me on. It's always a pleasure being here. Final thoughts would be, when looking at crypto, when looking at Bitcoin, when looking at anything, have a time horizon of at least 2 to 4 years. And the fact presented right now is no one has ever lost money on Bitcoin if they're held for 4 years. No one has ever. So if history is something that might rhyme, repeat, you're safe. So It's a great price to start dollar cost averaging in, and I'll continue to do so. Thank you again, Martyn.
Ali, thanks for calling in. There's Ali Tisro, one of the members of the Day Trader, who offers great input. If you wish to have your say, you can call in and you could be live on the show. We don't want, dramatic or cultish style of conversation. We want to learn. And after listening to Ali, I'm now favoring an investment on Bitcoin. It makes me feel confident. It makes me feel I understand a bit more. So I'm not here to promote, not here to sell anything. I'm just here to get to the truth. Because at the end of the day, I want to put my money in a place that grows. I don't want to lose money. I'm not in the business of losing money. This is my actual portfolio. I have 95% stocks, from VU to SPCE to Tesla, Rivian, Lucid, Arrival, Amazon. You can see it all on the screen there. Apple, Microsoft, and so on and so forth. Everything is there. If you wish to have your say, if you wish to call in, you need to be a member of the Day Trader. We don't have bots. We don't have idiots. We don't have rant and ravers. We have educated investors on our show. So here you go. Here is the invitation to join. You can join from a couple of bucks a month and be a part of the Day Trader. We are live all the time, Monday to Friday. Saturday is a rare event. In fact, it's not rare. It's never happened before. But the world was going to mush today, and I thought I've got to come on here and speak to everybody and give everyone the opportunity to have their say. This is not about me. This channel has never been about me. If it was, I'd make a video, I'd make money like the other guys, but I'm here to help and support everyone. So anyway, let's have a look at a few comments. Thomas Gill said, it's not a casino. It's not a casino. If you're investing in a casino, you're gambling, and that's not what we do. Jason Stolfer, 8,000 to 9,000 is the downside target for Bitcoin, guys. Well, there you go. You're going to buy in at 8,000, or if you think, well, now it's 8,000, it might go to 1,000. It might go to 0. I do not care, says Josh. I feel happy. I won't is like a gamble, casino, Bitcoin. That's what Josh says. Bro, what is BSV? BSV is Bitcoin Satoshi Vision. It's the other asset I hold. I regard BSV as a lottery ticket. Why not? It's cheap, but as Ali said, it's 90% down from where it was. So the way I see it is, it's at its all-time lows. It's like buying BTC when it first came out. Why not? I don't understand it any more than anything else. I invest in stocks and shares that build things, make things, solve problems. But I have some because why not? It's only $500. And if what I'm told is correct, it can go to $1 million. Then if it does, I'm already a millionaire just waiting. So why not? It's like buying a lottery ticket. In fact, I probably have more chance of winning the lottery and become a millionaire with this than I do. Sorry, I have more chance of this becoming a millionaire, $1 million, than me winning the lottery. So why not? It makes sense to me. That seems a good idea. Right. As you've been watching today, I said Bitcoin would go to 0. It's continued to go down. It's now at 17.6. It's continued to drop.